Look at it in all its magnificence. I haven't finished putting it together. There's still some pieces got to go on it, but I had to see it go. So I'm sorry I didn't get out the second part yet to show you how I got to this point. And but that's coming. But I had to do it. I had to see it on my layout running. Look at that! Yeah, buddy! Okay, people, as you can see, I'm started putting the siding on, and this is the kind of surprise I was trying to tell you. I looked at this and I thought, man, this is the ticket, and I think this is going to make a nice looking siding on the side. What I'm doing is I'm actually taking sticky glue and taking a brush and spreading it out, and then putting my sticks as I have them cut to size in place. I think it's looking pretty good. Pretty good. If you notice, I'm also filming this a little differently, but we'll give it a try and see how this works out. I'll be back after a little bit more progress. I thought I'd show you how it kind of looks there with a door in it. I think that looks pretty cool. I think it looks pretty cool, right? For just downright, I'm tickled right now. I hope it keeps on going good. Hi everybody, another update here. Houston, we have a problem. This thing, after I got it all put together, went through all that trouble to stain all that wood, it decides it wants to bow. So I seen a thing on Jason Jensen, and it wasn't this stuff though anyhow, and he said about reinforcing. I tried to reinforce it, and before it bowed too much more, and actually it made it worse. So I experimented, and lo and behold, look how nice and straight that is. You know what I glued it to? A cereal box. So I might end up redoing that altogether, because right now the way that is, that just ain't going to work. I ain't going to like it. I don't like it. Don't like the way it looks. You know, I don't like the way it's bowed like that. And like I said, I tried putting weight on it, try to straighten it out. So I don't know. That's where we're at right now. So that's looking like the way it goes. So for you folks' reference, don't use the foam board from Walmart. If you paint it, it warps. If you glue stuff to it, it warps. So, I don't know what that stuff's good for. Other than maybe making a mock-up that you're not going to paint or nothing. Maybe magic marker it or something. I don't know. But boy, if it takes any kind of moisture at all, it shrinks up. So, we're going to drop back and punt. And I'll be back and let you know what I come up with. Yes, I got Christmas music playing in the backgrounds. So, and this year, for some reason, I'm really in a Christmassy mood. So, I'm going to try to get this done for Christmas. It's going to be a job. Back when I have a more update. Hang in there. Thank you, folks. Does look good otherwise. I mean, you put some... let me see here. I've also just put a quick little coat of paint on here. Up. Fell through. Up. I'll be back. I'm going to put these in so you can see them. All right? All right. There's back. There's what it looks like with the crummy paint job I got on the doors. That will be better, believe me. That's just basically I put it on there for like a primer. So, and I forgot the window for some reason. But you can see what it looks like. It's going to kind of look like. And then you got this for a side. Yeah. All right. Sorry it took so long to get this to you. All right. Well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to scrap this. Just forget that. I already made a template for a new one. As you can see, just made a template. And decided to make a run. And I went to my train store and I took Vinny's advice and I got me some styrene. That's what I got there, Vinny. That number right there. I hope I got the right thing. Alright. Got a good deal on this. Really good deal according to what you were saying the other day on your live stream. I got 6 sheets. And I also got these. I don't know if that's the right size, but of what I should have got, but it's what he had. So I'm going to use that for reinforcement. So we're going to the styrene deal. So I will post another video when we do some more. And if I don't have another video up before the hand, y'all have a very Merry Christmas. From me and my family to yours. God bless every one of you. Remember the reason for the season. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thanks for watching.